A Ghanaian media insider has lauded China's new push to develop new quality productive forces, noting that China's path of pursuing high-quality development is worth learning for other countries.
The new quality productivity is a very laudable move. It's a very good move from China because I think they are also looking at it in the sense that technology is making things more better and more smarter, and production costs will also come down. So I think that is why China is now using technology to improve upon all sectors and also help other partners to also improve on their lives. I am very, very positive about China's future in technological advancement. I believe in the Chinese system, and what I've seen personally is not someone who is telling me. And a partner of China, we have to also learn from the Chinese and practice, because I know a lot of our top people have been to China and they are seeing how China is growing, so they should be able to implement some of these things that should improve our lives also here.